Hey guys, it's Daniel here for Comp-Tac and High Speed Gear. Here today to show you a new Comp-Tac product. This is our Dual Concealment Holster, or DCH. This holster gives you both inside the waistband and outside the waistband carry options in one product. It ships with both hardware options installed, and you can simply remove the one you don't plan on using. So it ships with our Infidel clip, which is for inside the waistband carry, and it includes a paddle mount, which is for outside the waistband carry. Both those options are adjustable. They can be used in a vertical configuration or at a 15-degree cant. Like all Comp-Tac Kydex holsters, it's 100% aircraft grade Kydex. It is optics compatible for all our modern handguns. And it has tension adjustment, so you can adjust the tension on the weapon as you choose. So that's the Comp-Tac Dual Concealment Holster, or DCH. Thanks for watching and stay safe.